G'day traders, 1 minute mindset reset. Today talking about what type of returns is a reasonable expectation. Now that's a really good question, and I'll challenge some people's mindset and belief systems around what returns are possible. I think as a small retail trader, we have the advantage of actually gaining large substantial returns. Now I talk about focusing on setups. I do not believe for myself in going to the screen and trying to read and trade the moves each day to get pips. I believe in looking for certain setups. I've talked about 1-star, 3-star, 5-star setups, and we've been getting massive opportunities in the markets, and they're going to continue. Are you going to get all of them? No, but you need to be able to understand what you're looking for and then hunt them out, hunt the best pairs out. It might even only be a 25 pip trade setup, but it might be a capitulation or a stop hunt where you can add size into and profit largely even off of a small move. Now, I'm not saying to over leverage or take on more risk. You have to understand your setups, and you have to understand when those opportunities present. A classic example is Dan Zanger. If you don't know who Dan Zanger is, Zanger, go and Google him. He took an account from roughly $11,000 to $18 million in 2 years, audited tax returns and trading records, all verifying. So I do believe that retail traders, the limits are in your mind of what you can produce in your results. But the biggest challenge for retail traders is that they will, again, overtrade, over leverage on poor quality setups. They'll average into losers. They won't cut losses. They will go on tilt. They'll take multiple trades that aren't even part of their trading plan, and then they'll say it didn't work and that the market's rigged. Well, that's where you need to understand that yes, the market is rigged, and you need to build your playbook and your setups around those rigged setups. I talk about letting the day develop and evolve so that you can get a picture for all the players being on the board. Some days there's going to be opportunities right off the bat in Asia. They're going to take out a previous day's high or low. There's going to be an opportunity in the gap. There's going to be an opportunity in London. Or it may be a 3-session setup. It could be a 3-day setup, but this is where you have to build your playbook and understand where your opportunities lie. So risk reward, what are the opportunities? You have to make those decisions yourself in terms of what you're comfortable with. I focus, I've retrained my brain to only look for certain setups, and to me that is all my trading is. I don't try to go there, and as I said, I don't worry about predicting. I don't sit there and say this is going to happen and it's going to go here. I let the smart people do that. All I'm looking for is the setups. Is it a sell high opportunity? Is it a buy low opportunity? What time is it? Is New York open? Is London open? And that's it. And I'm looking for who's in the money, and somebody's going to win and somebody's going to lose. So when that opportunity is there and they're going after somebody, I'm sniffing that out and I'm looking for it. And there's certain setups that are just going to be high probability but not going to load in a lot of size. It's a high probability, high conviction trade, low risk reward, or it could be a 3-session high of the day or low of the day opportunity for a complete range expansion all the way to the other side or even more. It could be a news catalyst, all those things. Build your playbook. The limits are only in your mind and according to your skill set. So build your playbook, know your setups, and as Dan Zanger's proved, 11 grand to 18 million in 2 years, all verified. He narrowed it down to 10 or 12 classical charting patterns. He was trading during the internet bubble. There was a lot of great opportunities, but right now we get those opportunities every single day if you're covering the right instruments and you're giving yourself the range of opportunities to hunt out the best trades. So hopefully you got value from today's video, traders. We've already started the week off, had some big moves, and we're going to have even more this week. A couple of news items on the calendar. And RBZ, we've got a couple of US dollar news announcements Thursday, Friday. Have a great week. Keep it going strong. Keep getting better, and may the markets go with you.